2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.